how to view notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Now on your new device, if you want to view new notifications, all you have to do is swipe down at the top edge of the screen like this, and this will open up the notifications panel. From here, you can expand each of the notifications. You can see in here I have 3 different notifications. To clear a notifications, you can swipe across like that, and you can also clear all the notifications by tapping on the clear button here. You can also go into the notification settings by tapping on the shortcut button down at the bottom left hand side. Now for each of the notifications, you can expand it, and this will give you additional information. You can also tap on the notification bell like that, and here it will show you the notifications reminder. So here, show this notification again in 1 hour, 2 hours, 50 minutes or 30 minutes. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.